Welcome, my full name is MEDION X5004 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They come provided in a box with the device, so you can find it somewhere there, and if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will also work. So once you have that, you want to push out the tray, which is located on the upper right side of the device, so right here, as you can see where the pin is holding. Push it firmly in and you will see that the tray pops out. And from here you have space for either two SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now, depending on what kind of SIM card you have, you might be restricted to only using one. For instance, if you're using the smallest one and you don't have the adapter, like I have one right here, it will go in the tray for the memory card, which then leaves no room for the memory card. Now, if you have the bigger one, which I actually have only like you need the middle size, so the one that would go basically be like the hole in here. Now I don't have one on the hand, but it would fit in this case right here. And then you could take the memory card and place it over here like so. So let's just stick with the SIM card. So once it's in here, you want to slide it back into the device. There you go. And let's unlock the device. And you can see that there's the pin for the SIM card. Now I actually don't know it, so I won't be able to put it in. But you can see that it's recognizing the SIM card. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.